What is going on, everybody? Andrew Steele here. Today I'm hanging out with the world famous Kyle from Bordur Coach Leasing.
Hey, how's it going?
Right now we're just sitting in this Prevost country coach, daydreaming about rolling around in a Prevost. But Kyle just did a ton of work to this coach. A huge thank you to the RV Glass Guru for sponsoring today's video. The RV Glass Guru specializes in RV windshield replacement and foggy window repair. They have a team of certified installers nationwide that can do RV windshield replacement. If you have a foggy window that needs to be repaired, they have a team of certified technicians in the Arizona area, all the way from Yuma to Quartzsite to Phoenix to Tucson. Tell RV Glass Guru that Andrew Steele sent you and they'll give you $100 off. They also offer additional discounts for anybody that has served as a veteran in law enforcement or any other public service. We greatly appreciate all of you that have served our country. Kyle's been doing a ton of work on all kinds of Prevosts. Pretty much did a full remodel on this, or actually did the floors, but it feels like a full remodel on this. Did some other work on another really cool coach here. And today he's just gonna kind of show us some of the stuff going on at Bordur Coach Leasing. What's the deal with this coach, bud?
Well, a friend of mine actually purchased this coach and brought it over for us to inspect for him, and ended up getting a laundry list of items that needed to be done. We ended up doing a whole front end update on it, basically put all new A-arms and fifth links and bushings on the front and new airbags and stuff to make it safe. We put new 365s on for him, and then we did a lot of engine work in the back as well. Then he came to us and saw one of the coaches that we did for our leasing buses and had the same exact flooring in it. Our double slide Star Coach has the same kind of wood looking like tile in it. The owner of the coach and his girlfriend fell in love with the color of it and wanted it in their coach, and here we are.
But man, we're just kind of sitting here chatting in the front, but dude, let's walk through this this coach. You want to show us a little more? Let's see what's going on. So what did this flooring look like? Tell us a little bit about what this coach looked like before you guys got a hold of it.
Well, so basically the tile kind of came through here, and there was carpeting, I believe, over there, and then carpeting here, and it was just kind of like a little walkway that came back over in this area, and I'm pretty sure the tile filled in this area. We'll have to go back to the photos and look.
Yeah.
It's been a little while. You know, the owner of this coach has a little puppy, so it's just way cleanlier to have full hard surfaces all the way throughout the entire coach, and that's kind of what we've been doing in the leased coaches as well. No more carpet, eliminating all that, and everything is able to get cleaned a lot easier.
The way this floor ties in together with everything, is this all original? Like these cabinets and everything? Is this original from?
Everything else is original. This is a beautiful coach. I've even made jokes to the owner that when he's done with it that I want to buy it. I mean, who knows if that's reality in the future, but
you may hear a couple noises right now. Kyle's team is working on this bus right now as we're filming it, so we're kind of killing two birds in one stone. So don't mind any background noise. The guys are in the basement doors making it happen.
Fixing
here.
the AC for the summertime.
Nice. One other thing, I want to walk through this whole coach here. I've got to point out on the wall here,
the pattern.
The pattern, it almost is like a high-end like handbag pattern, or just a real cool pattern here.
Yeah, no, it's definitely classy coach. Just well built too, you know.
Of you that have seen other videos, this, I think the way that these folks did it, so smart for what they paid to get into this coach, and the way it all, like if you do just a couple things to remodel it, this is so much nicer than most production coaches. So when you know someone like Kyle that can keep your repair costs low and keep you rolling down the road, that's a very important part about owning a Prevost, is having a connection like Kyle that can get all this stuff done. But man, can I ask you, I want to ask the hard questions, and we're going to walk through this whole coach, but you be able to share about how much dough it cost these folks to bring this bus to you and tear out just the floors, just the remodel work? If someone had a similar bus, what it would cost to bring to you?
Yeah, I think it was about 10 or 15,000 all said and done. You know, obviously we had to do the full tear out, which is a huge effort, and then we'll show videos of the steps, how we lined the whole steps with all the tile and did LED lighting and everything. And then we did the flooring that comes around here, like how it's all radius coming around the edging there.
Oh yeah, look at that. These are not easy cuts by any means.
I mean, it takes days to get to get the perfect cuts dialed in.
Yeah, and I really like the automotive. This is all like automotive paint.
Yeah, on the wood.
Yeah, and that was kind of something that Country Coach did a lot of in this era. And man, it looks really good.
For 2006, like look, it's in beautiful shape, you know, and it really holds up. There's like not really any nicks or dents or anything in it.
Automotive paint, like honestly, you could polish this. You could bring a buffer in here if you did have a little scuff or anything. Yeah. And the hard clear coat really holds up. Mirrored ceilings, man, you can't go wrong. It all keeps it open in here.
Bigger too.
Yeah.
No, so then he had some old inverters in here, and then we ended up upgrading to the 4,000 watt 2 4024 Magnums.
What does that cost if someone wants to bring you their bus and upgrade it to the 402 Magnums?
I think that ended up being like 5,000 or 6,000, just off the top of my head. But now his whole powerhouse is upgraded now to Magnum Energy, you know, pure sine waves. He's got 8,000 watts of power, plenty of power. So nice. All right, so was this bowl sink? Is this all from this is all Country Coach back in 06? Yeah, well, as far as I know, yeah.
Dude, I'm a fan of Country Coach. It's really too bad they went out of business. Look at this. So this wall, this shower for like a 2006 double slide Prevost. I love those same kind of subway style tiles on the wall there. And I can tell that's just a huge shower. Yeah, even has a little bench seat in there. I'm not gonna walk in, but huge. Huge thanks to the owners of this coach, Kyle's friends, for letting us take a look at this. We did have to ask their permission before, and that was very nice of them to let me and all the folks out on YouTube see this coach. This is exclusive stuff, guys. Not a lot of people get access to see inside of these buses. A big thanks to Kyle, by the way. And for some reason, it doesn't surprise me that there's some sort of musician tied to this bus. Is your buddy in the music world, or what's the deal, bud?
Yeah, he's a little bit in the music world.
Nice.
Does transportation with me, but he definitely likes to listen to music, like a lot of the country guys he hangs out with.
Yeah. So this is, I've seen a similar floor plan to this. This is an 06 Country Coach, and look at how nice this closet is with the full automotive paint on all the cabinets. You have a real nice ledge here, and then the 2 bars where you can hang clothes. And like this is like basically like a walk-in closet inside of a Country Coach. Like everything is just really well designed, really roomy. You can walk into this closet, and then the same thing with this shower here. It's huge. So
yeah, and then there's a whole nother closet, which obviously I don't want to probably go in there, and all their private stuff's in there, but there's a whole nother back closet as well that opens up.
Huge.
So basically like a hers and his, right? Obviously the hers is the bigger one. The his is the smaller one. No.
And then yeah, exactly.
The washer dryer right here.
Oh, nice.
So,
oh, that's cool.
Which is awesome.
Yeah, and I love, this is such a cool color, like the automotive paint, just timeless.
Yeah, like look at this detail. This is great. How they rounded this whole piece.
Absolutely. Yeah, really cool. I like how the tile goes all the way up to the top of the wall, and these colors really blend well. And then that same cool kind of pattern. I like your friend's style with the kind of, with the bear print pillows there.
I just wonder how they sleep when they, do they make toast in bed? Is that why that's there?
That's a good question. That's a good question. Drop a comment below.
Yeah, coffee and toast while in bed.
Another thing I'll point out, this same that same pattern on the wall, just all of that stitching, super cool. And then the same automotive paint on the rear door there. Kyle, another really cool bus. Can't thank you enough for showing this to us. So really the only things that they did aesthetically to this coach was just kind of the new floors, and that pretty much made it a whole new bus, huh?
Yeah, new floors, and then they put obviously all their own linens and pillows and accents and stuff like that. You know, they did all that stuff, but I think that's really all that. Yeah, that's pretty much all that was done in here.
If you pick out the right floors that tie in with all of your colors, makes it a new bus. And again, another testament, the bones of the Prevost chassis are so well built that remodeling a 15-year-old Prevost,
oh yeah,
you're gonna have just as nice and a higher quality built rig than a lot of the newer production coaches. So man, I always love seeing this stuff. Kyle, can't thank you enough for letting all the folks on YouTube see this. Greatly appreciate all of you watching today's video. I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again.